Don't you know what it means when the adhan goes? Don't you know what it means? Hayya ala salah. Hayya ala salah, come. Hayya ala salah, this is the adhan. Come to the salah. Don't sit in your house, sit on your bed, sit on your couch. No, come. Must leave your house. SubhanAllah, the men of this ummah must play in the masajid. The men of this ummah, it is wajib on every man in this ummah to pray salah in jama'ah in the masjid. If you have a valid excuse, this is something else. You must look into your excuse, whether it is valid in the sharia. Whether it is valid in the sharia, this is important. Oh, subhanallah, hayya ala al-falah, come to the success. Where are they? Oh, subhanallah. This is a sad reality. It's a sad reality that the state of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah in some cases is worse than the state of Ahlul Bid'ah wal Furqah. It's worse than the state of the people of innovations and splitting. It's worse. Oh, subhanallah. Why? Because you want to run around and look at everyone and everything except ourselves. Wallahi, many of the people that you see, this is their condition. Just reflect upon why. And you should also reflect upon why. You know, people that busy themselves with the faults of others. You know, subhanallah, when the wheel turns, it turns dangerously. No, give nasiha to your brother. Give nasiha, advise him, call him, invite him, bring him, even go visit him and bring him. No, don't be on the forefront of criticizing and belittling and downing your brothers.